How often should I change the sand in my pool filter? There's a couple schools of thought on this, and I see a lot of people commenting online. Oh, I've got a really green pool. I've been running the filter. It's not getting clean. I think I need to change my sand. That must be the problem. And then you ask them, well, how old is the sand? And they say, well, 3 years or 5 years. I heard you're supposed to change it every 5 years. If your sand in your filter is 3 years old or 5 years old and your pool is green, this probably has nothing to do with your filtration. Or if it does have anything to do with it, it's just simply that you're not running the pump enough. Just run it 24/7 until the pool looks good. Most likely you have a chemical imbalance of some kind in your water, because a pool filter should run for decades with the same sand. Yes, there is something to be said about the rounding of the edges of the sand, making the sand somewhat less capable in terms of filtering your pool water over time. I agree with that. But this is a process that takes decades to happen. And, could you have a problem at year 3 or year 5 with your sand filter being worn out? Probably not. I'm going to say that that is extremely unlikely. Year 7, year 10, maybe something like that. But here's the thing. Sand filters, much like everything else these days, are just built impossibly cheap, and they break way more readily than they used to. And at this point, when a filter is 7 years old or 10 years old, it's seen so much pressure and it's seen so much filtering time and UV damage from the sun beating down on it, and the chemical exposure to the plastic parts inside of it. I'm highly disinclined to change sand on older sand filters, just because I know the likelihood of encountering a problem is very high. If I have to come back because I broke one of the laterals in your filter, and to be fair, the next person who touched that thing was going to break it because it was just chemical damaged and old. It was never built to last 20, 30 years. And so you've got 7 to 10 years out of it. You're thinking, should I change the sand? Maybe we should just pull the trigger. If you have a problem with your pool, like there's sand on the floor of your pool, or you truly cannot get it clean, like it will not clean, it's possible that there's like channeling with the sand or something like that. And then, yes, maybe you should look at replacing the sand. But I'm kind of thinking, unless you have a problem, let it ride with your sand filter until there is a problem. And at that point, I replace the filter. I don't get into changing the sand too often. I used to at the beginning of my career, but these days, it's just not something I do, because the likelihood of encountering a problem and breaking something internally and having to do a return trip, and now you need another filter anyway because it's broken and the parts aren't available, and the whole thing's just a can of worms. And so I say, if your sand filter is working, let it work, let it do its thing until you have a problem that you can't seem to get past. And at that point, I would consider replacing the filter. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.